Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. This video features yet another easy to make and delicious melt in your mouth chicken kebab recipe known as Malai Kabab or Chicken Malai Kebab. To begin with, take half a kilo of boneless chicken in a mixing bowl. Add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and mix this until they are well combined. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. Now cover the chicken and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of hung curd, 6 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1.5 teaspoons of green chili paste, 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your preference. 2 cubes of processed cheese that's grated. And finally add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix this until they are well incorporated so that all the flavors get infused into the chicken. You can marinate the chicken in advance and prepare it later when you wish to. Again, cover the chicken and let it sit in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Right before cooking the chicken, in a small plate, take water as required and soak the skewer sticks for half an hour. Let's check the marinated chicken pieces. The chicken should be tender. Now insert the marinated chicken in the skewer. Have 4 pieces inserted in a single skewer stick like this. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Arrange the loaded skewers onto a plate. Try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to read your experiences. Now grease a tablespoon of ghee on a hot pan. Lay the loaded skewers in the pan and cook on a high flame for 1 minute. Have the ghee coated to all the chicken pieces. Now flip the chicken to the other side and cook on a low flame. This is such an easy recipe that you'll wonder why you haven't cooked it yet. Brush the chicken with ghee from the pan. This allows the chicken to be moist and juicy. Otherwise, the chicken will dry out. Keep flipping the chicken every 2 minutes to get an even brown color on both sides. It'll take 10 to 13 minutes to cook the chicken. It looks so appealing and appetizing, and I'm excited to devour the dish. Chicken Malai Kebab, otherwise called as Reshmi Kebab, is mostly grilled on a charcoal fire. It has its roots from the Mughalai cuisine and it's rich and creamy. Once it's evenly browned on all sides, remove from the heat and serve it hot on a platter as an appetizer or as a side in a meal, along with an onion salad, a lemon wedge, and green chutney. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.